Hey there, welcome to class. My name is Flo. This is a short Vinyasa flow practice, ideal for those days where you don't have much time or don't want to make much time for your practice. So today I will guide you through a movement practice and we will end with a very short meditation so that you can continue with the rest of your day. Let's start in a seated position at the back of the mat. Take a moment here to place the hands on your legs, on your thighs or the knees. Close your eyes, sit tall. You can sit on the heels like I do here or cross-legged. We'll take 3 deep breaths together to arrive and to begin the practice. Exhale all the air out. Then take a deep breath in, fill the lungs all the way up. Open mouth, let it go. 2 more like this. Deep breath in, fully in, fill the lungs up. Open mouth, let it go. Last one. From here, walk the hands forward. Come into a downward facing dog. Bend one knee then the other. Do whatever you need to do to arrive. I always recommend you keep the legs bent, both knees bent in your downward facing dog. But if you want, you can straighten them. Reach the heels towards the ground, press into the inner hands. Draw the belly a bit in and up. And then rotate your heels over to the left side, move the hips up and back to lengthen the right side of the upper body. And to the other side. Back to downward facing dog. Roll forward through the spine to plank. Shoulders over the wrists, firm into the inner hands. Shift forward even more. The shoulders come past the fingers. Even more, if possible. And then back to plank, back to downward facing dog. Lift your right leg up and back, 3-legged dog. Keep the lips sealed, breathe only through the nose, because only the nose is designed for breathing, and if you're not speaking, then you can keep the lips sealed to encourage the nasal breath, nasal breathing. Bend your right knee, open stack the hips. Inhale, come high onto your left toes. Exhale, right knee to the chest. Exhale, right foot between the hands. Low lunge, set the left knee down, untuck the left toes. Deep breath in, reach the arms up. Come on to the left toes and then lift the left knee up for crescent lunge. Reach your left arm forward, right arm back, revolved crescent. And we lean forward, shift forward for half moon, switch the hands, right hand down, left arm up. Stack the left hip over the right. Lift your upper body up to lift the right hand up off the ground if you want to. And if you want to go even deeper, you can reach the left arm forward up and over the head. And maybe the right arm forward as well for full moon. Last deep breath in. Exhale, step the left foot back. Warrior 2. On the exhale, Skandasana to your left. High or low, you decide. Move to the front of the mat, side plank on the left, left hand down, stack the right foot on top. Either stay here or 3 hip dips with the left hip down and up, down and up. Last one, down and up. Side plank. And plank pose. Both hands down, both feet down. From here, shift forward, come high onto the toes. Bend the arms, chaturanga, elbows in, hold for 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank pose. Knees down, elbows down. Glide through on the exhale. Inhale to up dog. With your exhale to down dog. Lift your left leg up and back, 3-legged dog. Let's move into the other side. Bend the left knee, open stack the hips. Inhale, come high into the right toes. Exhale, left knee to the chest. Hold it. Exhale, left foot between the hands. Low lunge, right knee down. Untuck the right toes. Inhale, reach the arms up. Come onto the right toes and lift the right knee up for a low crescent lunge. Right arm forward, left arm back, revolved crescent. And we shift forward, left arm forward and down, half moon. Stack the right hip on top. Right arm maybe reaches up forward. Left hand lifts up. And if you want, reach the left arm forward as well. On your exhale, step the right foot back for crescent, for warrior 2. On your next exhale, Skandasana to the right. Bend the right knee, straighten the left, high or low variation, you decide. From here, move to the front of the mat for a side plank on the right hand. Stay here, or 3 hip dips with the right hip, reaching, lowering down and up, down, up, down, and up. Bring the left hand down again, plank pose. Shift forward one more time. Bend the arms, chaturanga. Shift forward, elbows in, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank. Knees down, elbows down. Exhale, glide through. Inhale brings you into upward facing dog. Broaden the collarbones, pull the shoulders back. Look straight ahead, pull the head back instead of up. With your next exhale, down dog. Step or float the feet forward between the hands. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Interlace your hands behind the back. Straighten the arms and bring the arms up and over the head to whatever is accessible for you. It doesn't need to be as much forward as I'm doing it here. Maybe you're even going further forward and down. All we're looking for is a sensation of a stretch in the shoulders, in the back side of the legs. Breathing slowly through the nose with the lips sealed. And release the hands down. Bend the knees, squat down for butterfly pose. Set the hips all the way to the floor. Bring the soles of the feet together. Grab the feet and fold forward and down. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable for you. Allow the breath to soften a bit more, and by slowing down the breath, especially exhaling more, we also directly affect the nervous system and the heart rate and evoke more of a parasympathetic tonus, more relaxation. Slowly push yourself up, cross your legs, and we finish with a short meditation. Sit nice and tall. Lengthen the crown of the head up. Instead of lifting the chest up, we want to lengthen the crown of the head up. Place your hands wherever it's comfortable, maybe on the knees, maybe in your lap, eyes closed. Now let go of controlling the breath in any way and simply bring all your awareness and focus to the breath, how the air is coming in and how the air is coming out through the nose. Just for 1 minute. Slowly bring the hands to the heart. Thank yourself for showing up, for making the time to practice. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. Much love and gratitude. Namaste. Thank you very much for joining me today for this practice. I hope to see you very soon again. If you liked the class, like the video, share it with someone that you think would like it too or should try it out. And hit the subscribe button. It really helps us out to produce more videos like this. One more thing, let us know in the comments below the one thing you're most looking forward to today. See you in the next one. Peace.